Aging in place in the comfort of your own home is preferable for seniors. In fact, 2/3 of Americans who modify their homes do so in order to remain living there comfortably and safely. The Kohler Walk-In Bath provides a solution to bathe safely and independently.
As mobility issues change, bathing can become more of a challenge. The Kohler Walk-In Bath has several safety features, one of which is a low step-in. Our 3-inch step-in is one of the lowest in the industry. In comparison, the average height of a regular bathtub is 24 inches. The handrails provide the bather support and confidence while entering and exiting the bath. The textured floor provides traction to reduce the risk of slipping. The ability to bathe oneself offers the homeowner dignity.
Hollywood, Florida resident Maria Postman decided it was time for her and her husband to invest in their future and purchase a Kohler Walk-In Bath.
It was very difficult to really come out of my prior tub. I'm living in this house for over 24 years and probably I used it like 5 or 10 times, no more than that, because I was always scared. But after I heard that this is only 3 inches and just go in, love it. I decided to buy the Kohler Walk-In Bath because for me, for my husband, we have several injuries now. Looking into the hydrotherapy, that is what our doctor recommended us. I think this is the best item that I bought for the house. I decided to go with Kohler because for the brand name, and it has a very exquisite products that I like. It was a pleasure to work with Kohler authorized dealer. When the sales representative came to my house, first of all, we went and sat at the table where he had the opportunity to show me all his paperwork, all the flyers that he has in the booklet. Plus, he also showed me the videos, how it would look, and give me that feeling that I wanted to have it in my house. The sales representative gave me a quote right in the spot, and I have to tell you, after I saw everything, that was time for me to sign in. I cannot imagine to move in someplace else because we were prepared in this house from the beginning since we bought is that we are going to get older. Looking for all the upgrades and improvements that we have done in the house, this is the most satisfying item that I did.
If your concerns are similar to Maria's, the good news is you don't have to deal with the inconvenience of a lengthy remodeling project and all the noise and dust that comes with it. A Kohler Walk-In Bath can be installed in the same space as your existing tub in as little as 1 day.
The Kohler Walk-In Bath can be customized from 52 inches to 60 inches long and 28 inches to 32 inches wide.
The bath has unique features that can only be found in a Kohler Walk-In Bath. It's like having a luxurious spa in your very own home.
The new shower and tub combination offers flexibility for multi-generational households that may share one bathroom. With the shower and tub combination, you have the ability to stand and take a regular shower, or if needed, you can also use the walk-in bath to its full capacity. The hydrotherapy targets your legs, feet, and spine. The bubble massage air jets maintain a consistent temperature for the duration of your bath. The Basque heated backrest targets the bather's back, neck, and shoulders. Leaks are prevented because of our watertight seal. The door to enter and exit the bath measures 18 inches. The seat is extra wide and 30% deeper than others on the market. Jets and temperature are controlled from an easy-to-reach control panel.
Now comes the fun part, designing and customizing your bath.
The walk-in bath is offered in both a white and biscuit. Biscuit is going to have a creamier tone to it. Luxstone walls are offered in both contemporary and traditional styles. Faucet finishes are offered in brushed nickel and polished chrome. The shower arm is optional and comes in traditional, modern, or contemporary shower heads. You can get an optional clear frameless bath screen.
Maria was very impressed with the seamless and fast installation process.
The installation process, it was, for me, remarkable. Working with a lot of vendors and all my business that I do, I'm going to tell you, this one was a pleasure. Because I couldn't believe it when they said it would take a day and a half or probably 2 days. It was like this, and I really love it. I am so excited to take my first bath.
If you're ready to transform the look and feel of your bathing experience, schedule an appointment to receive a free in-home quote by going to KOHLERWalkinBath.com. Head over to designingspaces.com for more information.